Hi, I am Imal Aswath. The question is, a person has to travel from A to B in certain time. Traveling at a speed of 5 km per hour, he reaches the office 48 minutes late. While at a speed of 8 km per hour, he reaches 15 minutes early. Find distance from A to B. Here a person has to travel from A to B in certain time. Let the time be T. Let the time be T. Traveling at a speed of 5 km per hour, he reaches the office 48 minutes late. So A to B. A to B, it is 5 km per hour. Then what is that? That is T be the time taken. Here 48 minutes late. So here if it is 5 km per hour, T must be T plus 48. T plus 48. So distance from A to B equal to 5 into T plus 48. 5 into T plus 48. In the same way, that is next, this 8 km hour. If it is 8 km per hour, then 15 minutes earlier. Therefore, what is the time taken? T minus 15. T minus 15. So, what is the distance now? 8 into T minus 15. So, distance is same, A to B. So, distance is same. Therefore, here 5 into T plus 48 equal to 8 into T minus 15. 8 into T minus 15. So 5T plus 8 5s are 40, 4 5s are 20, 240 equal to 8T minus 5 8s are 40, 4, 1 8 is 8 plus 4, 12. So 5T minus 8. So 8T minus 5T is 3T. 3T equal to 240 plus 120, 360. 3T plus 360. So T equal to 360 divided by 3, 120. 120 minutes. T equal to 120 minutes. Now we have to substitute. That is, what you have to find? Find distance from A to B. Distance from A to B. So here I substitute T 5 into T plus 48. Here it is 5 into, what is T? 120 plus 48, that is 168 minutes. So first you have to convert it into kilometer per hour. So per hour you have to convert. So 168 divided by 60. So 12, 1, then 1, 6 8s are 40, 6 12s. So 4, 14. So what is the distance? Distance equal to 14 kilometer. 14 kilometer. So you have to convert into R, then only we can find the correct answer. So distance equal to 14 kilometer. Thanks for watching. Please like, comment and subscribe.